I am Shirish Dopeshwarkar, Managing Director, Dopeshwar Engineering Private Limited, Hyderabad, India. We are an engineering company who specialize in supply of process plants on turnkey for three different sectors, poultry being one of the most prominent for us. Dopeshwar supplies poultry processing plants which cover conveyorized poultry dressing as well as advanced poultry waste rendering. The dressing is done for capacities from 500 birds per day up to 16,000 birds per day in different types of plants. And the poultry waste is to completely convert all the waste, head, feet, feathers, intestine, blood, into proteinous meat meal, which goes back to the feed as a supplement, as energy, because there is 60% protein in the meat meal. Apart from the poultry processing plants, Dopeshwar also supplies process plants for chemical and for essential oil industry, and we have completed supply export to 16 countries till now, and in different sectors from essential oils as well as in poultry. Both the sectors, essential oils as well as poultry, is growing rapidly in the world, and with worldwide demand, we envisage very good prospects for our products, our company, and for export from India. And we are very proud to say that we are part of Made in India program since last several decades. For us, the Poultry India exhibition has been a continuous event right from the very first show in Hyderabad, since that was 8 years back. This is the 8th edition, and Dopeshwar has been a founder member of IPEMA, which is the organizing company of Poultry India show. We are proud to be associated with IPEMA, and we are confident that Poultry India will continue to benefit the farmers, entrepreneurs, and the manufacturers in the entire poultry sector in India and in the SAARC countries. The poultry sector has seen certain decline due to the worldwide fear of avian influenza as well as some regional factors, but the consumption of poultry meat has been steadily growing. Consumption of meat as well as eggs, so has been steadily going up in India as well as worldwide. So there is a tremendous opportunity for this sector. It is a sector which is seeing rapid growth in some years with cyclical decline in between. But the overall outlook for the poultry sector is very bright.